Know thyself, know thy enemy. 1,000 battles, 1,000 victories. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war, while defeated warriors go to war first and then seek to win. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. If you know the enemy, and know yourself, you need not fear the results of 100 battles. Pretend inferiority and encourage his arrogance. To fight and conquer in all our battles is not supreme excellence. Supreme excellence consists in breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting. Invincibility lies in the defense, the possibility of victory in the attack. All men can see these tactics whereby I conquer, but what none can see is the strategy out of which victory is evolved. He will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight. There is no instance of a nation benefiting from prolonged warfare. If your opponent is of choleric temper, irritate him. The opportunity to secure ourselves against defeat lies in our own hands, but the opportunity of defeating the enemy is provided by the enemy himself. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot, will be victorious. Know your enemy and know yourself, and you can fight 100 battles without disaster. A good commander is benevolent and unconcerned with fame. If you are far from the enemy, make him believe you are near. Balk the enemy's power, force him to reveal himself. If ignorant both of your enemy and yourself, you are certain to be in peril. Victory usually goes to the army who has better trained officers and men. Never trust a friend who is silent about your flaws.